A spinal cord injury is one of the most catastrophic injuries a person can experience and survive. What we also know is that this population is radically underserved. Our program helps to bridge this gap through working in a tailored fashion with technologies that we think can change and save people's lives. Since 2020, we've supported over 30 companies, and 7 of those are already getting into market and improving the lives of people with spinal cord injury, and most of them have raised 5 to 10 times the match funding that Praxis put in. So the first part of the program is really building a relationship with you, with our SCI community and peer network, and our clinical network to make sure that we're going to design something that meets your needs.
Is we integrate those perspectives of persons living with spinal cord injury into our programs to ensure that these innovations are truly meeting the needs of individuals living with spinal cord injury.
So the way we deliver this tailored impact is we run weekly sessions that, again, as an innovator, you would actually set the agenda with our team of people with spinal cord injury and someone with a clinical or research background. We really track conversations with you week to week to make sure that we're hitting milestones, we're supporting you, we're editing your work, whatever you need to get to that next juncture. What we really want to work with you and what we really believe in is integrated knowledge translation. Now that's a very wordy thing, but what we're really trying to do is make sure that anyone who's involved in using your technology is sitting at the table with you.
People with lived experience provide some of the most meaningful information to founders, helping them understand how research will actually be used by the SCI community.
We connect innovators with experts from all around the world to help the companies achieve their commercialization and clinical milestones much faster.
Mentors are typically people that have experience in the particular markets, and so that sets them up as good people to help these innovators learn to navigate the business realities of their target market.
Really, we see Praxis as a one-stop shop to essentially build your medical device technology and get it to the next level. A lot of people who've done this program often say that they got access to people that it would take them 6 months to a year to get in touch with. And so they often say they saved 2 to 3 years by doing this program. And that's the experience we want to leave you with. The last piece of the program is in some ways the most exciting. The big piece that we do is then we validate your technology and develop a very insightful report on what the findings are.
The variety of different end users within the spinal cord injury space really provided us with that robust validation of the smart sheet and also our value proposition, like what our smart sheet really needs to provide.
But investors really love it. They love to see that you've actually consulted with the community, the person who's going to use your product. And I've heard from investors that they've never seen something like this as a validation tool for our early medical device technologies. We really believe in retaining alumni relationships. You may not get the 24/7 access that you're getting essentially through the program, but we're always checking with you 3 to 6 months to make sure if there are any other leads or connections or things we can do to make sure that your technology reaches the people who need it most.